Nature's perfect gift. Benefits of breastfeeding. Breast milk is truly amazing. It's perfectly designed for your baby's needs. It's full of antibodies that protect your baby from infections. Breast milk changes as your baby grows, always providing exactly what they need. Breastfeeding isn't just good for babies, it benefits moms too. It releases hormones that help your uterus contract back to its normal size. It can even help you lose the baby weight. Plus, it creates a special bond between you and your baby. Finding your rhythm breastfeeding schedules. Newborns have tiny tummies. They need to eat frequently, about 8 to 12 times in a 24-hour period. That means breastfeeding every 2 to 3 hours, including during the night. Don't worry about setting a strict schedule. Let your baby guide you. Look for hunger cues like rooting, sucking on their hands, and fussiness. These cues tell you your baby is ready to eat. Mastering the latch practical tips for success. Getting a good latch is crucial for comfortable and effective breastfeeding. It ensures that your baby is getting enough milk and helps to prevent common breastfeeding issues. Make sure your baby takes a large portion of the areola into their mouth, not just the nipple. This technique is essential for a proper latch. This will help prevent soreness and make the feeding experience more enjoyable for both you and your baby. Find a comfortable position for both you and your baby. Comfort is key to a successful breastfeeding session. Experiment with different holds, like the cradle hold, the football hold, or the side-lying hold. Use pillows for support to maintain a good posture and reduce strain. Sore nipples are common, especially in the early days. Don't be discouraged, it's a normal part of the process. Ensure your baby is latching correctly. A good latch can make a significant difference in your breastfeeding journey. Applying lanolin cream after each feeding can soothe and protect sore nipples. It's a simple step that can provide much-needed relief. Section 4. Alternative paths. Nourishing your baby. Breastfeeding is amazing, but it's not always possible or the right choice for every mother and baby. There are many reasons why a mother might choose not to breastfeed, and that's perfectly okay. There are other ways to nourish your baby and provide them with the best start in life. Formula feeding is one such method that ensures your baby gets all the essential nutrients they need. Formula feeding is a safe and healthy alternative to breastfeeding. It allows other family members to bond with the baby during feeding times. Modern formulas are designed to closely mimic the nutritional content of breast milk. They contain the right balance of proteins, fats, and vitamins. Talk to your pediatrician about the best formula for your baby's needs. They can guide you on the right type and amount of formula to use. Some mothers choose to combine breastfeeding and formula feeding, known as supplementing. This approach can offer flexibility and peace of mind. This can be a great option if you're struggling with milk supply or if you need to return to work. It allows you to continue providing breast milk while ensuring your baby is well fed. Remember, every drop of nourishment you provide is valuable. Whether it's breast milk, formula, or a combination of both, your love and care are what matter most. Section 5. Trust your instincts. Every mom's journey is unique. Being a new mom is full of joys and challenges. It's a beautiful yet demanding experience that brings a whirlwind of emotions. It's a time of immense learning and adjustment. Every day brings new lessons and opportunities to grow. When it comes to feeding your baby, trust your instincts and do what feels right for you and your baby. Your intuition is a powerful guide. There's no right or wrong way to feed your baby. Whether you choose breastfeeding, formula feeding, or a combination of both, your choice is valid. Or a combination of both, the key is to ensure your baby is nourished and content. The most important thing is that your baby is fed, loved, and thriving. A happy baby means a happy mom. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Seeking support is a sign of strength, not weakness. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family, and healthcare professionals. They can offer invaluable advice and encouragement. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Every step you take is a testament to your love and dedication. You've got this, Mama.